please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on topic is matrices and determinants. Now our first one, if A is equal to cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3, then find the det of this value. Okay, now here given A is equal to cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3 can be right. Now here cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 whole square. Now according to De Moivre's theorem, we know that cos theta plus I sin theta power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Now here cos n theta plus I sin n theta can be right cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. Okay, now cos 2 pi by 3 value, cos 120 value is minus 1 by 2 plus I into sin 120 value is root 3 by 2 whole square. Now LCM is 2 minus 1 plus I root 3 whole square. Okay, now minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 value is omega. Now omega square. Now A is equal to omega square. A value is omega square. Now here A value substitute this one, det of now det of 1 1 1 1. Now A value omega square. Now A square means omega power 4 value. Now omega power 4 value, omega cube into omega. Omega cube value is 1. Therefore omega power 4 value is omega. Now omega, now 1. Omega power 4 means omega and omega square. Okay, now find det of this value. Now 1 into omega power 4 minus omega square minus 1 into omega square minus omega square minus omega plus 1 into omega minus omega square minus omega square. Omega power 4 value is omega minus omega square minus omega square plus omega minus omega square. Now plus omega 3 omega minus 3 omega square. Now 3 common, omega minus omega square. Okay, now omega value is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Now is equal to 3 into minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 minus omega square value minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay, now 3 into, now LCM is 2 minus 1 plus I root 3 plus 1 plus I root 3. Okay, now minus 1 plus 1. Okay, now 3 into 2I root 3 by 2. 2I root 3 by 2. Now 2 cancel, I into 3 root 3. I into 3 root 3. Now I into 3 root 3 is a purely imaginary. Now x plus iy is a complex number. X plus iy is a complex number. Now x equal to 0, only iy is called a purely imaginary. Now I into 3 root 3, I into 3 root 3. Therefore this value is purely imaginary. Option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, with usual notation in triangle ABC, det of 1, 1, 1, sin A, sin B, sin C, sin square A, sin square B, sin square C is equal to. Now, according to sine rule, now A by sin A is equal to 2R. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C is equal to 2R. Now, sin A, small a is equal to 2R sin A. Small a equal to 2R sin A. Now, small a is equal to 2R sin A. Okay, now sin A is equal to A by 2R. A by 2R. Okay, now similarly, sin B is equal to B by 2R, and also sin C is equal to C by 2R. Okay, now here det 1, 1, 1, A by 2R, B by 2R, C by 2R. Now square means A square by 4R square. Now B square by 4R square. Now C square by 4R square. Okay, now here 2R is there and here also 4R square. Now 2R into 4R square means 8R cube. 1 by 8R cube into det of 1, 1, 1. Now A, B, C. Now A square, B square, C square. Okay, now using here column operations, C1 tends to C1 minus C2, C2 tends to C2 minus C3. Okay, now here C1 tends to, now C1 tends to C1 minus C2. Now C2 tends to C2 minus C3. Okay, now 1 by 8R cube into det of, now 1 minus 1, 0. Now A minus B, A square minus B square. Now 1 minus 1, 0. Now B minus C, B square minus C square, 1 C, C square. Okay. Now 1 by 8R cube into this value. Now here A minus B common with first column, B minus C common with second column. Now 1 by 8R cube into A minus B into B minus C. Now det of 0, 1, A plus B. Now 0, 1, B plus C. 1 C, C square. Okay, 1, 2 zeros is there. Now eliminating corresponding row and column. Now here eliminating this one and this. Now finding det of this one, 2 by 2 submatrix. Now 1 by 8R cube into A minus B into B minus C. Now B plus C minus A minus B. Okay, now B cancel, C minus A is equal to 1 by 8R cube into A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Therefore, that value is equal to 1 by 8R cube into A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Option 1 is the correct one.